people inside. You guys going to a party? But guys, you can keep up a little more for me. A lot of party goers are coming to this party, so let's make as much space as possible inside our break room. Thank you so much. But yeah, we're gonna just chill inside here for a little bit while my main man Chaz gets those nice party buses ready for y'all. He's gonna take you over. Oh, give me a second right here. We got Mia calling. Hey Mia.
Hey Pat, I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, they just got inside here. Introduce yourself.
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother with another car for his collection.
Nice.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
Honestly.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Oh, that's sweet.
And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
Hey, welcome to the family, guys. Oh, speaking about family, it's Tej. Hey, Tej, you're on the monitor of Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
See you, Mia.
All right, Pat.
Yeah.
Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war room.
Anything for you, boss. Peace.
Peace.
All right, everyone, you heard the boss man. In a few seconds, these doors will open and lead you inside the war room. Now, my good friend Jamie's inside there. Please go easy on them. It is their first day without Chaz inside that very elaborate room. But hey, most importantly, have fun at the party. It's going to be a good time. Yeah. Keep that excitement.
Come on, guys, come on in. We're gonna get those doors shut. This room has got to stay freakishly cold. Not these things tend to overheat and explode. When that happens, guess who gets in trouble? That would be me. Guys, my name is Jamie. Welcome to the war room. Not bad. Tej loves the oohs and ahs, but the applause will work too. Guys, this is his domain. I just help out, but today he's left me in charge. Thinking how hard can it be to load a few party buses? You guys are going to a party? Surprisingly loud and lively crowd. I am shocked. So guys, we're just gonna wait here until he calls. Should be any minute now. The buses are ready. We're just having them pull up. So, anyone excited? Never mind. I don't even want to ask that because you guys are.
Jamie.
Yes.
The buses are here.
Awesome. All right, guys. Here's gonna happen. We're gonna send you down to the load. Hold on, guys. Dom,
I got this, Jamie.
All right.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs.
That's never good.
The FBI is about to raid your location.
Oh, man, they always ruining our fun.
It gets worse.
Worse?
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Awesome.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain? What's he got to do with this?
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way.
Yeah.
Get those people on those buses.
I can do that.
You need to start bugging out right now. And get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I'll text the garage.
I'm on it.
All right, whatever you
Hobbs
text.
needs our help. He needs our team.
That's you guys.
Spread the word.
Tell everyone.
But keep it in our family.
I just keep it here then.
Keep it quiet.
All right, say nothing. Wait, what? Hey, it's your bold friend.
It's Hobbs.
Sorry, Hobbs.
Hobbs,
Did you
my
connect
man.
you?
What
I guess
up?
not. Never mind.
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
Yeah. He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Working on that.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going. We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
All right, ready to load the buses.
Okay, hold on.
What?
Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
That's a good point. Guys, if you have cell
Okay,
phones,
Jamie,
make sure that...
you heard the man.
Yeah.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
All right, but do you want me
Send
to...
everybody to the loading dock.
Pre-existing heart condition.
That looks like fun.
Listen up,
says they can't, he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
We need your help. Turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone could give us away. Remember, get trouble.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other party?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody.
Guaranteeing my safety, I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold forever. Letty, Roman, we're up.
Driver, move that vehicle.
This is about to get very Mona Lisa's all warmed up. Right next door.
No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Speak now or you all get fried. This is our turn. Okay, guys, it's showtime. Open it up. Letty, hook him up.
Whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back. Good thing.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
The party is here. The party is now. Time to act.